NASA did something remarkable. It admitted the problem and changed the plan. In late February 2026, NASA announced a major restructuring of the Artemis program. This wasn't a minor adjustment. This wasn't a schedule tweak. This was an admission that the approach NASA had been pursuing for years needed to change fundamentally. Here's what NASA decided. Instead of going directly from Artemis II to a lunar landing attempt with Artemis III, they'd insert a new mission in between. This new mission would be crewed. A test run in lunar orbit before attempting a landing. It would test additional systems. It would gather data. It would reduce risk. Second, NASA revised the architecture for Artemis III itself. The original plan had assumed Starship would be ready, but NASA couldn't count on that anymore. So they're now developing contingency plans and exploring alternative landing systems. They're not abandoning Starship, but they're not betting the entire lunar program on it either. Third, and this is crucial, NASA explicitly embraced commercial partnerships in a way it never had before. The agency wasn't just using commercial rockets to launch cargo. It was building the entire architecture around the idea that commercial companies would be essential partners in lunar exploration. This was a fundamental shift from the government-centric approach that had defined space policy for decades.